President William Ruto easya kana silikali yake imustali wambe kuikiithya kana niyakwata Kisomo mbau kunenga amanyiw'a mawatui kama kuiendesya hainene akare ni lovi Ruto na wakathia matambira silikali yake yosete kuikiithya vaimu amanyiw'a unatilwe tina maunduni ma masomo. Meshak David na maovo.
Musumbi William Ruto easya kana Kisomo kithiwa cha vata muno kuvindua nthi ya Kenya. Ayathana kana silikali yake nikukwata mbau Kisomo kuikiithya kana amanyiw'a nimatwika athukumi aseo ivinda yukite.
In the transformation of Kenya, education is going to be at the center of that transformation. We just concluded examinations where 53% of learners joined STEM pathway. Our plan and target is to make sure that 60% of learners engage in the STEM space as we seek to build a professional, a highly professional workforce that will drive the transformation of Kenya into the future.
Ainene yako ya kare ni musini wa ilovi Musumbi Ruto easya kana nzeni wa miaka 3 mivitu silikali ni yosete matambia makuyana wikithya kana vaikana kana atiwa na itina maunduni ma Kisomo.
Over the last 3 years, we have significantly transformed our education sector. We have undertaken some of the most consequential reforms in our education sector to expand opportunity and to ensure that every learner has an opportunity and no child in Kenya is left behind.
Kavinda ni kau Musumbi Ruto ni waende ya kukathi ya uthukumi wake ta maunduni mawiti na ukui wa kiseveni. Ayasya kana mwaka huu silikali ni kuwaka kiwanza cha ndege cha kiwango cha yulu.
28.5 million Kenyans today are registered in SHA as part of our program of making sure that access to health is universal, reaches every citizen. Your Holiness, I know you use our airport. I just want to assure you that this year we will be building a new world-class airport. That will support not just Kenya as a hub in our region, not just our tourism sector, not just our conference sector, but also our business communities that use our airports for purposes of travel.
Vilingi wa mauvo Mutongoi TV ni Meshak wa David.